Okay, so the tribunal replied me. Yeah, here is the mediator. I don't want to reveal his name, so I'm sending the email now. Yeah, they in order to proceed with my demand, they need the case file, so I'm gonna send it now. One moment. You see. So again, don't forget I was left alone. Don't forget that I need to submit a complaint to the police station, as I was advised in Quebec City by the Justice Palace, and I will also have to go to the civil court to submit a complaint. A lot of stuff, man, a lot of stuff, and I am all by myself. All by myself. No problem, no problem. Okay. I'm gonna resist. Gonna resist. I can't wait for the core recordings to be listened. I can't wait for the recordings to be presented in court. I'm curious what recordings they will present. I hope they won't be empty. I hope they won't be empty as the call, as the recording sustaining my suspension was. I hope they did not do something with the recordings, cutting frames and joining them after. I hope, man. I hope, but anyway, it will be confronted with my notes from my notepad. Yeah, as you will see throughout the case file. Okay. In one moment, I'm gonna have to show you another email. So I'm gonna click send. Send. I was looking if there was something confidential here. No, it was just advertising. No, it wasn't, because if not, I would supposed to. I would tell me I would supposed to. I was supposed to edit. So no, it wasn't. Um, 1 second, because I had an email here. Yeah, so this is another email sent. So I received an email by the political attaché. He works for the deputy office. So guys, like I said, this is a public message for everyone. I need help. I don't want to be left alone there. I don't want to be left alone behind closed doors, because this is what they are aiming. This is what they want, to isolate me. I need the public in the room. I need the media. I need the jury. Yeah, so these are my rights. Please respect my rights. Please, in Quebec and in Canada, please respect my rights. Don't leave me alone with these two colossals behind closed doors. Yeah, I need the public. Regardless, doesn't matter who is guilty, who is not. Yeah, I might be guilty as well. Yeah, let's leave the jury to decide. Yeah, please. But I don't want to be there alone. I don't want to be there alone. Let's leave the jury to decide. Let's leave a public trial. Yeah, regardless who is guilty or not. Let's be transparent in Quebec and in Canada, please. So I sent him the letter. I told him I need help. I need help. I need help. Yeah, I need help because you never know. It became the country of you never know. Yeah. So I need help. It's not a joke. Like I said, with them, it's not a joke. Give me some time to rest. Yeah. Okay. So, like I said, this is a message. This is an SOS sent in the whole Canada and in the whole province of Quebec. Please support this cause to have the public open to to have the public to have the trial open to the public and open to the media, and to leave to allow the jury to allow a jury to assist the trial, because there is no jurisprudence, and also intimidations were exerted on me, and I also need protection. I need protection because it involves actions that impacted the public. So I need protection for the NDA for both companies, non disclosure agreement. Yeah, I need support. So I really need support. This is an SOS message. Please share as much as you can, because the hearing date is approaching. I asked for a later hearing date, but is approaching. As you see, it is approaching, and I don't want to be there all by myself. It is very important. Thank you so much once again. Yeah, so that's what I sent to the deputy's assistant, political attaché. Yeah, I need. It's not a joke. It's not a joke with them. They are two big companies with important. Yeah, I don't want to disclose. Like I said, I don't want to disclose their names, but even like I said, even into the court trial, if the judge consider uh, appropriate, their identity can be as well into the courtroom physically. Their identity can be protected with masks, no problem. But I don't want to be alone. That's the purpose of this campaign. I do not want to be alone. If no lawyer is willing to, it's not even a defense. I didn't do anything wrong. If no lawyer wants to represent me, not to defend me, to represent me, at least leave the public, allow the media, allow a jury. Please be fair. Allow a jury. Yeah. Leave a jury to vote. Leave a jury to decide. Leave a jury to analyze. I have explained the reasons why a jury is necessary, and I'm gonna disclose that document at one point. The documents that were sent to the judge. Okay, thank you once again.